Whether you need to automate sample preparation, increase sample throughput, or accelerate method development, the highly modular design of the Agilent 1200 Infinity Series Quick Change Valves provides you with the flexibility to tailor your liquid chromatography system to match virtually any UHPLC challenge. Designed with separate valve heads and drives, the Agilent Quick Change Valves give you the freedom to configure an automation solution that matches exactly to the application demands in your laboratory. Choose between externally mounted valves or valve-containing modules in your 1200 Infinity Series LC. Up to 2 quick change valves can be fitted in the 1290 Infinity Flexible Cube that also contains a pump and an additional 3-channel solvent selection valve for advanced applications. Alternatively, an external valve drive unit can be mounted directly on either side of your 1200 Infinity Series LC or on a freestanding multi-purpose column and valve holder. The 1290 Infinity thermostated column compartment can house any quick change valve of your choice. For complex applications, you can cluster 2 or even 3 column compartments holding up to 2 valves and 8 columns. All Agilent quick change valves are fully controlled through Agilent software, such as OpenLab CDS and Mass Hunter, as well as through many third-party chromatography data systems by means of Agilent's Instrument Control Framework, ICF. Valve switching and position monitoring are integrated conveniently within the user interface, regardless of where the valve drive is physically mounted. All standard valve switching applications are possible, plus many more, limited only by your imagination. For example, sample cleanup or enrichment, automated column regeneration, selection of column, solvent or detector, or fraction collection. Analyzing compounds of interest is always a challenge when samples contain complex matrices. Typically, sample cleanup or matrix stripping is required, and the Agilent 2-position 6-port quick change valve provides a simple automated solution for this task, regardless of whether you are dealing with biological fluids, food extracts, or wastewater. A pre-column in the flow path retains matrix components while allowing the compounds of interest to pass through to an analytical column for separation and detection. After analysis, a second pump flushes the matrix from the pre-column while the analytical column is regenerated in preparation for your next injection. This saves you valuable time and increases sample throughput significantly. To develop an appropriate LC method and determine the optimum separation conditions, for example for chiral screening, various stationary phases need to be tested. This process of method scouting can be accelerated significantly using 2 Agilent 8-position 9-port valves mounted in a cluster of 2 1290 Infinity thermostated column compartments. This gives you automated access to up to 8 columns, speeding up your search for optimum analysis parameters. Combination with further switching valves for solvent selection gives you a comprehensive solution for automated method development. Without the need to interact with the system, you have over 1,000 unique sets of separation conditions at your fingertips. Agilent 1200 Infinity Series Quick Change Valves boost performance through advanced valve solutions that address even the most challenging applications. Save time through individual configurations for utmost automation flexibility. Reduce costs through optimized system utilization of a single vendor solution. Valve-based workflow automation is just one of a wave of innovative Agilent technologies for ensuring your Agilent 1200 Infinity Series LC stays at the forefront of separation potential. Agilent Technologies, the measure of confidence.